side dishes can really enhance a meal, and we have one we think you are really gonna love.
That's what's cooking today as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Hey guys, trying to up your vegetable game? I got a recipe for you. We're making some spicy green beans today, easy and tasty. Let's do it. For this one, you're gonna need some trimmed green beans, a little bit of vegetable or canola oil, chili garlic paste, some green onions, garlic, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sugar, water, and some crushed red pepper flakes. We're starting with a little bit of vegetable oil in the pan. Want it nice and hot. These are my green beans that are already trimmed, and I'm just gonna add them to the pan and let them blister up a little bit in that oil. Once your green beans start to get a little color and blister up like this, we come at it fast and furious with the rest of our ingredients. We start off with some sliced garlic, some sliced green onions, the whites. This is chili garlic paste. They sell it in the supermarket near the ethnic section. We're gonna just toss that in, get all those flavors coated on those green beans. Now we add a little bit of soy sauce to this, a little bit of rice wine vinegar. This is water with a little bit of sugar. I'm just gonna mix it together and add that in. It's gonna get syrupy from the water and the sugar. Those green beans are gonna cook down a little more, and then we're just gonna top it off at the end with those red pepper flakes, and that's it. We are done. Veggies, anyone? Spicy green beans. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nure. Buon appetito.
All right, for more info on this and other awesome recipes, check out our website. That's WSVN.com. Click on entertainment and then click on Bite. And for all things, the latest and greatest culinary, check out Belkys' Bite blog, also on our website.